Hey guys, this is Eric here with Hoosier Tool Guy, here with an unboxing of the Wera Kraftform Kompakt 27RA2. It's a ratcheting screwdriver with bit storage in it. So let's go ahead and take a look. Open up the box here. You open it up and we've got the ratcheting screwdriver right here. Inside it's just got a cardboard to hold it in place. Also it comes with a little sticker, the Wera Tool Rebel sticker. And that's all that's in the box here. On the back of the box, it says a few things about it. It says it's got a fine tooth ratcheting and it's ultra compact. It comes with 6 screwdriver bits. It comes with 2 flathead, 2 Phillips, and 2 square bits with it. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. It's got 3 little modes on here. When you turn this, it's actually metal, the little switch here. When it's in the middle position, it's just locked like a regular screwdriver. Turn it to the L position, that's for ratcheting to loosen something. If you turn it to the R right here, that's to tighten, ratcheting tighten. And we'll put it back in the middle, so it locks it in place. And it's got a really nice ergonomic handle, feels real good in the hand. And here on the end, it says press on there. If you press on that, it pops it open and shows you the compartment that has the bits in it. Like I said, it's got the 2 square bits, 2 Phillips, and 2 flatheads. And they come in and out of there really easily. Just take it out, put it back in there. And then the tip on it is magnetic. So it just slides in there. And it's got a pretty nice magnet in there. It's not going to fall out, but it snaps right in there, and then you can use it, close it up, use it as a regular screwdriver, or if you want it to ratchet, you can do that. It feels real nice. But the other thing is, if you want to interchange these little, they're just 1-inch, regular 1-inch bits. I think they're 1-inch, and if you have any laying around, if you don't want to have the square bits in here, or if you want to just have whatever, if you want to have a bunch of Phillips, or if you want to put some Torx in there, you can put whatever you want in there that you use a lot or normally use. And then you can also, it has the 6-bit storage, but you can also just leave one in the magnetic tip, so you can actually have 7 little 1-inch bits there for you at all times. And this will help out with, so you don't have to carry, 6 different screwdrivers. And also it's pretty awesome because it's ratcheting. I really like this screwdriver. It's the first Wera product that I've bought, but I plan on buying more and doing some unboxings and like initial thoughts on them. So I just want to thank everybody for taking the time to watch my video. Please like and subscribe.